Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by working non-destructively. Duplicate the layer and enable the info panel so you can read RGB values. Once done, set your view to 100% to judge color shifts accurately. Use the eyedropper to sample shadow, midtone, and highlight areas. This gives you numeric targets to correct toward neutral. Make sure you're in a neutral proofing mode and that white balance is off in Camera Raw, because those settings alter what you see and can mislead your adjustments. Now create a curves adjustment layer and switch between the red, green, and blue channels to correct the cast. You'll drag midtone points subtly. Small shifts matter because curves is powerful. Use the sampled RGB readings to move each channel toward a neutral balance. This is why you sampled earlier. Once the midtones look right, refine highlights and shadows with anchor points to avoid clipping. Make sure to paint the layer mask so only the affected regions receive the correction. Finish by refining with selective color or color balance for stubborn hues. These let you tweak cyan, magenta, yellow per range. Once done, toggle layer visibility to compare before and after and use blend if sliders or reduce opacity to preserve natural transitions. If you still see odd shifts, check the document profile and convert to Adobe RGB or sRGB as appropriate, or reopen the RAW file and correct white balance there. That fixes upstream color profiling issues you can't mask away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.